I will call you back again to another video lecture on C# programming, and in this video lecture, you go ahead and learn about infinite loop. As the name sounds, or as we all know about infinite, is that it does not end, so it has no ending. Let's say, for instance, I'll go ahead and use a for loop. Go ahead and say for and put double semicolon right inside there. That is infinite. So whatever is inside this can never stop. It will continue forever. Let's go ahead and say console dot write line. Then we go ahead and say my name is Paul. And go ahead and place semicolon at the end of that. And let me go ahead and say welcome to www.justworld.com. And let's go ahead and run this code and check it out. So we can see it. Keep typing welcome to www.justworld.com, www.justworld.com, www.justworld.com. Okay, so it does not end, it can't stop, it's infinite, it's continue to work forever. So if you want a code to work non-stop, no control, nothing, go ahead and use that. Close that. So this is all about infinite loop. I don't know if you're going to ever use that. I don't know how many times you use that in your program, but nevertheless, if you want to use infinite, it's up there for you to go ahead and choose. We have other loop system you can use. We have the for loop, we have the for each, we have the while loop, we have the do while loop, and so other ones are there. So for this dial system, you play around with it, and if you have any question, you go ahead and use the question and the answer section, and I'm going to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much, and I'm going to see you in the next video lecture.